Hey guys, good morning, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. I'm saying good morning because it is a good morning. Today I will be showing you how to put your edges back intact by just a little touch up here and there when you forget to tie your edges down. I did not tie my edges down last night, so when I got up this morning I seen that I did not tie them down, but it's pretty much fine. Don't panic. Instant edges will be instantly back intact, just like you bought them out the package. As you can see, I have a little lift here, which is the end of the edges, and a little lift here and there, which is perfectly fine, because what we're going to do, I'm going to use a little gel, or you can use your oil or grease, or whatever you want to do. And I just put a little gel behind the hair, so that I can take a brush or comb and gently comb them back into my ponytail. I still have a ponytail, so I'm just going to comb and brush them in there so it can lay down underneath. And the other side, it didn't do as bad, but we're going to do just a little. Well, it's not bad, so you leave it alone. So I just put a little gel on top of that. So if it's not bad, guys, you want to just leave it alone. You know what I'm saying? Just leave it alone. It's not going anywhere. Don't make it even worse. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's a little lift here, but it's in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, with my spray bottle, I'm going to add a little moisture to both sides. Just a little. Just to soften it up, because what the problem is, guys, when you guys get to do those lace fronts and edges, you keep packing more product and more product on it, and I usually just moisturize it to loosen it up. You want to loosen it, and what you want to do once it's loosened, you want to take your gels, and I will be having a touch-up gel. So let's see. A little touch-up gel here underneath the edges, and I pretty much go all the way up when I do my touch-up gels. Just a little touch-up because it's under, so I put a little gel under the touch-up. Just the edges. And once I put them on the touch-up, now it's soft. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our comb brush, and it's soft enough now to style. So I'm just gonna tack it back in place, comb out edges. Just going to comb out edges. Now that edges are softened up, you can play with them. Put them back in place. Fill in your gaps. You may lose one or two strands, which is fine. Now, for you guys that want this to be waterproof and to stay for wherever or however you want, you're more than welcome to add your lace front glue beneath here and tack it down, but that's totally up to you. But I recommend, if you're not wanting to do all that harsh stuff anymore and you're trying to get away from it, just want to treat your edges like they're yours, switch your little gels here. And I'm going to style. There goes instant edges. Clean it up with a little Q-tip. Damp Q-tip, clean up my side. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I already moisturized it, so, and if it's lifting like that, I'm just going to take this, my gel's on it, the bottom of it. I'm putting a gel on the bottom of it so you won't have to have so much residue on your forehead, guys. So if you would just pretty much put them, the gels under the edges. Now that you have those up under your edges, you can now lay them. This is called a touch-up, guys. If you have edges, you know what a touch-up is. You know if you don't tie down them edges at night, they're gonna roll up. They will not be slick. So as you can see, the edges is back intact. So now you're not looking whack. Voila, guys, and there are your edges back intact. I do a little extra. And there is your edges. Now I'm going to clean up my edges with a little warm water. And this is so I can get my face done, guys. Clean it up. Now, if I want to clean up my part, guys, I'm just show you guys some of the tricks and stuff that I be doing. Just lay that in. When I want to clear up my part, I put some concealer on my rat tail comb, and I camouflage it into the part. It's the edge you need to. So once I camouflage my part, you guys see it's popping. Hey, it's popping. It wants to pop, so now my part is popping. And now that my edges are back intact, I will just put a little oil sheen, light spritz. And I'm going to put my do-rag on. This is just a detangler moisturizer that I put over my whole head. You guys don't have to do that. I'm just showing you how to put your edges back intact. Put your do-rag on. Boy, man, my do-rags, guys, where your edges won't be crumbled. And you tie them. Tie it up. And voila. Edges are intact. Now,